Our product proposal is for a mobile app entitled Hopp. What Hopp is that it's a social mapping app which can use passive GPS by running on mobile phones in the background to track where people are going or where people are coming from within the context of a nightlife in a big city. So for example, most major cities, specifically San Francisco, is divided into neighborhoods which can be busy on one night or not busy on another night, and it really is just dependent on what's going on that night. And so by tracking where people are going or where people are leaving from, you can track them on a map, and areas where a lot of people are going to will appear red on the map, and areas where a lot of people are leaving will appear blue on the map, so you know which areas are hot and which areas are cold. And on top of that, you can zoom into a specific neighborhood and see which establishments in the neighborhood specifically are red or blue, so that you know which bars or which clubs or which restaurants are busy and which restaurants are not. This mitigates the issue of Yelp and other review sites providing static reviews, because static reviews are really only for an individual's given experience. But using Hopp, you can see person's experience for a given night, and they can actually comment using the app anonymously and say that a place they're at is either good, bad, or anything else they wish to say. And users can have the ability to either thumbs up or thumbs down that comment. So imagine the app's interface as a map of a major city with the certain neighborhoods within the city outlined and colored red or blue based on how hot they are for that night or how cold they are for that night. But within that map, you can see within the neighborhoods avatars of all the people who are there. And the avatars are anonymous, but what they do is that the avatars change based on how good the users are at giving reviews. So for example, a person who typically gives really good reviews and gets lots of thumbs ups on his reviews will have a very extravagant avatar, and this is much like the way Waze works, if you ever use that, which is a GPS app, where it encourages people to leave comments and information by giving them points which allow them to change their avatar, so you can see who is a really trustworthy reviewer. The other important thing about Hopp is that it really has a comparative advantage over a similar product like Foursquare, because Foursquare requires users to take the time out of their night to check in and write that they're going to a certain place or that they're at a certain place. The advantage of using Hopp is that Hopp does it passively. So just by having it run in the background, you never have to actually enter any information, and it'll be able to track where a person is going, and you can use it to use its map interface as well to figure out where you want to go.